McCain Vogel here with this week's Cover Crop Connection. Well, last week I told you all about our upcoming National Cover Crop Summit and promised to showcase lots more great topics and speakers. So without further ado, here's Gary Zimmer, another one of our speakers, to preview his presentation about fitting the cover crop to the farm and how to make money doing it.
So yes, we farm in southern Wisconsin. We're organic, and we've developed what I call an extreme cover crop farming system, where 1 year rye cover crops and the next year corn. Corn is our really big market. So I think that what to take away from this is what extreme cover crop farming can actually do to your soil and to your crops. And I think that's kind of the message I'm trying to give out here. Farmers can't understand how we can only actually have an income or a decent income every other year, but our farming system is very profitable and very low input, and our soils are radically changed, and our soil fertility numbers keep getting higher. And I think the piece of the puzzle comes into play is the fact that we actually have a really good organic corn market 10 miles away. And so we make the money on corn. And so how you make money doing it is by the fact that if I was conventional, I say we grow excessive amount of nitrogen, and that's a big limiting factor for organic farmers. We have our soil structures getting really good. Our weed control is getting better and better every year. We've been doing this for 8 years, so it's 4 rotations on some of this stuff. And so our input costs are low. We don't seem to have very many troubles. The soil resilience has built up. And so we're extremely well satisfied with what we get for results in our farming systems. I look at right now, like conventional farms, if soybeans get to be $8 next fall and you're going to grow 40 bushel, you might as well take the year off and have a soil building year, and then put your insecticides, fungicides, pesticides, cut your nitrogen down, and don't need to use all the biotechnology if you're conventional.
Great stuff as always from the father of biological farming, Gary Zimmer. And there's still plenty of time to register for our fully online and free 2025 National Cover Crop Summit taking place March 18th to 20th. And get access to 6 great presentations to view at your convenience from the comfort of your own home. Well, that'll do it for this week's Cover Crop Connection. Until next time, I'm McCain Vogel.